Greetings, my friends. This is Archanis, though a number of you may remember me from years back as 88 Gelu. I've missed seeing you all, and I hope that you will join me for this new era in this channel. As some of you may have noticed, there are quite a few changes going on in the channel, and that is because where the channel used to be was the exploration of doing some Let's Play videos of various video games, some toy reviews, and looking at a few TCGs, specifically Magic and Chaotic, just looking at deck building, construction, gameplay, etc., and a few other topics besides. Since then, I have been researching art and play therapy, which has been my new area of study and interest, and wanting to combine that with my passion for tabletop role-playing games and my over 10 years of experience game mastering various TTRPGs. In this new take on the channel, we will explore both some tips and tricks for GMs and for players, different ways that you can support and be more mindful or intentional in the tabletop role-playing scene and in your game development, looking at different role-playing systems, how they can be beneficial with certain play groups as opposed to others, or with accomplishing certain purposes as opposed to others, and also looking at how the whole genre of TTRPGs can be incorporated with art and play therapy and other techniques in order to bring a greater level of support and fun and group cooperation and communication into your gaming experience, as well as also looking how different populations may benefit or can be supported through tabletop role-playing games, such as the neurodivergent and queer communities, of which I have a vested personal insight and interest into. So I hope to see you all soon, and that you will join me in this new era of the channel. Take care, my fellow scholars.